Hey guys, oh my god, the lighting. It is our first day in Tokyo and we're in the
Harajuku
area.
near the station.
So we drop off at the station and we want to pass by the stores, but most of them only open at 11, so now we're just walking around. It's raining, but it's kind of a vibe. It's raining. And so yeah, we're just walking around until the stores open and then we'll bring you guys in. Can I get a Miffy? It's a Miffy light. So cute. We found the best store by accident because I needed to go to the washroom. Cannot be mad. Shopping for our future apartment. Home decor. I really want to find a new light, but we'll see. Okay, so not gonna lie, those are my dream water paper, like living room lights, I think. I think I really want one of these. Yeah. Favorite section. There's everything cute here. I want everything. This is our paper lamp that we got from Hai. Oh my god, these are so cute. I am in danger. I'm in danger. We do not have enough luggage space for all of this. Hi guys! So we just came back to our hotel because we wanted to drop off our paper lamp. It's actually pouring rain outside, so we didn't want to get it wet. So we dropped it off and we took a little break and now we're heading back out. So just to show you guys, it's kind of like, it's wet, you know? So we're heading now back out to Shibuya and yeah, take you guys along. Okay. I found jelly cats in Japan. I love home decor. Marcus, is it a good idea if I get a jelly cat in Japan?
Going across the world for it is kind of, I'm gonna say excessive, but
I have found our favorite section, the home goods. So, not gonna lie, I'm a bit overwhelmed. There's quite a lot. Actually, this entire store is a lot, but it's really cute. And we have, honestly, there's so much stuff. I can't even begin to comprehend it. I think we're in the cooking section. Okay, very excited. I'll show you guys.
going over the umbrella.